Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Kenzie Craig Michaels, and welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button down below for future content that I'm uploading. Today is actually Makeover Mondays, and it's actually part 3 of the CoverGirl series, Get Ready With Me. So I've actually done something this afternoon. I was bored, and I decided that I was going to go to my local drugstore and decide that I was going to attempt, and I say the word attempt because I didn't do a very good job of applying Kiss gel nails. That's right, I decided I was going to apply some Kiss gel nails with the Kiss glue as well, instant drying glue. So this is my result. Not bad for the first time. One's crooked, yes I know. One hand is on one backwards. I totally know that as well. So it's really kind of weird. They really should make some boy nails just because our fingernails tend to be a little wider than girls and we tend not to manicure them as much as women do. Some men do, but you know, most men don't, go for manicures every single week or every 2 weeks or whatnot. Although some men do, so kudos to you for doing that. So I have these fancy dancy nails on that now I can't really do much with. It's hard to comb your hair, it's hard to kind of do anything with. So anyways, I'm just kind of getting used to them and thought I would try them. There's some other great places that actually sell nails. You can get like buy 3, get 3 for, buy 3, get 3 free. So I'm going to attempt to try to wear nails and try to get better at applying them. This was my very first attempt, so I didn't do too bad of a job. So there's one hand there, okay? So not a bad job, not the best job, but anyways, I'm cat sitting again because my friend's in New York. I'm at his place and I was super bored, so I thought, hey, why not I try to put gel nails on? I know I'm a guy, but never did it before, so what the hell? All the women do it. In the stores I used to work at, I used to sell nails all the time, so I thought I would experience it for myself, and it is an F in biatch when one of your nails falls off. So now I totally understand women when you're saying that, oh my God, my nail fell off, I have to get it refilled, or I have to get it fixed, I have to get it re-glued on. It is a pain in the ass. And when I say pain in the ass, I really mean pain in the ass. Just hooking up this camera to the tripod, I lost a nail and had to go put another nail on. So you only have 10 fingers, however the package comes with 28, but since I have larger fingers, I need the larger nails. So who's ever listening out there, they need to make men's nails. And if you know of a company that makes men's nails that are maybe not so long or shorter, please let me know. So anyways, part 3 of CoverGirl's Get Ready With Me. I just wanted to show you that because I thought it was kind of cool in the black and everything like that. And I'm going somewhere after, I was gonna say babysitting, well, babysitting the cat today to pick something up. So that should be interesting when I actually meet the man who's probably like 50 or 60 years old to pick something up that I purchased on Facebook from Marketplace. So, woo! Welcome to Kenzie Craig Michaels and my nails. So anyways, I'm just gonna remove my glasses. This is the final edition, except for the eyeliner, which I never applied. This is the CoverGirl setting spray. So I have no makeup on right now. This is an all-day transfer-proof, smudge-proof, humidity-proof, tested for sensitive skin. There is a light fragrance in it as well. So you're going to have the hydration of the locked-in moisture into your skin, and it's a super fine mist. So all you do after you have your makeup makeup on is you're just going to close your eyes like so and spritz. Give it a couple of seconds to dry, and you're done. So, perfect setting spray, smudge-proof, transfer-proof, humidity-proof, all-day setting. I'm Kenzie Craig Michaels with my new nails on. Some are crooked, some aren't crooked. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. please subscribe to my channel. There's always new content and you never know what I'm going to do. Cheers everyone and have a great Monday.